Hello, this is Andrea from Austria. Great that you're here again. Today I'll show how you can do single crochet. This is the US term. The UK term is double crochet. In my videos I pay attention to both terms. Let's get it on. First, I'll show you how to do a single crochet, and after that I'll show you how to do single crochet in rows. Insert the hook in the next stitch under both of the loops, yarn over, pull it through the stitch. Now you will have 2 loops on your hook, yarn over again, pull the yarn through both loops on the hook. That was your first single crochet. This way you can make as many single crochets as you need. Insert the hook in the next stitch, yarn over, pull it through. Now you will have 2 loops on your hook, yarn over again, pull through both loops on the hook. Once again. And now we want to start a new project with 10 stitches. I'm doing 10 starting chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. And now I need another chain. 11. This is my turning chain. We skip this turning chain and make a single crochet in the next stitch. Here I use the upper loop, but you can also take the bottom loop. The main thing is that it is consistent. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Chain 1 and turn your work clockwise. Skip this chain and make 1 single crochet in the first stitch. Two, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. To start another row, chain 1 and turn. Skip this chain and make 1 single crochet in the first stitch. And when your project is finished, cut the yarn, pull it through the loop, tighten the yarn And now you can wave the ends. I hope this video helped. Feel free to like and subscribe. I love you, Andrea.